Hi guys, it's Lindsay, aka Makeup My Mobility, a channel where we like to focus on makeup and disability advocacy. If you like that idea, please stick around and subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also watch this video until the very end because it helps out with my YouTube algorithm much and I really appreciate it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below because it greatly helps out the channel and I want to interact with you all. Today's video is going to be my long-awaited Wicked for Good Beauty, Wicked for Good collection review over some of her makeup products that she came out with for the Wicked for Good movie premiere. And I'm just so excited. And I also have one of her perfumes that I'm going to review. And that is the Elphaba perfume. This has a heavier note of vanilla in it, and it smells really good. I love it. Compared to Mod Vanilla, which is one of my favorite Ariana Grande fragrances of all time, this is much heavier. The Elphaba perfume is much heavier than Mod Vanilla. Are familiar with Ariana Grande's Mod Vanilla fragrance. This is heavier than Mod Vanilla, but I really like it. It's one of my favorite perfumes. Then let's jump right into some of the complexion items that she came out with for this collection. We have the Lip and Cheek in the shade Braverism from the Elphaba collection, and the I Come and Go by Bow All Over Glow Stick in the Glinda collection. I like the Braverism Lip and Cheek better than I like the All Over Glow Stick. This is easy to blend, looks beautiful on the skin. I'm wearing it today. It's pretty for fall into winter. I hope you guys are staying safe and warm in the winter storm that we're having. I know I am. As far as the All Over Glow Stick in the shade I Come and Go by Bow by the Glinda collection, I'm not a real big fan of this, simply because it's like straight up pink glitter. It's straight up pink glitter in a highlight stick. I'm wearing it today for the sake of this video, but I probably won't be wearing it much after today. Just because I simply don't like pink glitter on my face. And this is like straight up glitter. But it's a fine product as it is. I just don't like glitter on my face. And then we have the Ariana Beauty Aussie and Forest eyeshadow palette. We have the names on the back here of the palette. This is a pretty beautiful palette. And it better be pretty, and it better have a nice formula, which it does, because I paid a pretty penny for this. But it's definitely one of my favorite palettes that I have in my collection. I'm wearing it today on the eyes. You guys can see it. I love it so much. This is one of my favorite palettes of the year. I really like this palette. Then we have two of her liquid eyeshadows. We have one from the Elphaba collection and one from the Glinda collection. Let's start with the one from the Glinda collection. It's like this purple blue duochrome shade. I love this one. I love her liquid eyeshadow formula. And I just love it. Now, my favorite one is the one from the Elphaba collection in the shade Elfie. I love this one. It's like a greenish gold. I have it on today over those powder eyeshadows. And I just love the formula of her liquid eyeshadows. They're one of my favorite liquid eyeshadows that I have in my collection. And I love her formula of liquid eyeshadows. As in all caps. Then let's talk about the lip products that came in this collection. We have one from the Elphaba collection in Defying Expectations, which is a nice plummy, like reddish brown. One from the Glinda collection in the shade Toss Toss. Toss Toss is a pretty pink color, but these are a good formula of lip products, and especially lip pencils. So if you're a huge fan of lip pencils, I highly recommend checking these out. Then we have what I consider to be my favorite in the collection, which is her liquid lip balms in the shade Wickedness, which I have on today, in the shade Tattoo Bubble, which I don't have on, but is pretty too. It's like a nice milky pink color. You guys can see the applicator on this. Here's the applicator on it. I really like these. These have a thickness to them, and I really like them. I got one of the regular shades in the regular collection because I like these so much, and I wanted to have another one. So I have Strawberry Soda from the regular collection. This is in the shade Tattoo Bubble. And the Alphabet collection is in the shade Wickedness. And I just love these so much. They have a thickness to them, but they're really pretty on the lips, and I just love them so much. They're nice and moisturizing into the lip. You can feel them on the lips too. I just love these so much. And I would highly recommend the ones from this collection and the ones in her regular line as well. This is my standout product. These in the liquid eyeshadows are my standout products from this collection. And obviously the eyeshadow palette as well. So if you want a top 3, it would have to be the liquid lip balms would have to be number 1. The liquid eyeshadows would have to be number 2. Then the powder eyeshadow palette, the Ozzy and Forest powder eyeshadow palette would have to be number 3 as far as my roundup. And I hope you guys find beauty and advocacy and keep rolling on. I love you. Bye.